What's the first thing you notice when you pick up a product? Whether it's a sleek box or a colorful label, packaging does more than just protect what's inside. It tells a story, creates an experience, and helps brands stand out. Now, imagine you're a graphic designer struggling to get leads in an oversaturated market. But what if there's a field with less competition and high demand? That's where packaging design comes in. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced designer looking for a fresh opportunity, this is a space with real potential. Even if you have no design skills at all, you can still dive into packaging design, and even for small business owners, mastering this can take your brand to the next level. But let's be real, standing out in this growing market isn't easy. To succeed, your packaging needs to be visually appealing, functional, and eco-friendly. That's why I want to introduce you to Pacdora, a tool designed to help you create and present stunning packaging with ease. Pacdora offers powerful tools that simplify the design process. With its easy-to-use templates and real-time editing, designers can quickly bring their visions to life. The link to Pacdora is in the description of this video. Once you have come here, just sign up for free. You can directly sign up using your Gmail or Facebook, and you can also use email and password. Once you have signed up, you just have to go to pricing, and here you can select any of these plans. After selecting the plan, you will use the coupon code FS20, and you will get 20% off. Once you have done with the pricing, you will come here. In Pacdora, you can do 3 things. Let's start with dye lines and bleed, as it is the first step in designing any package design. Doing this manually in Illustrator took a lot of time and care, but in Pacdora, you can do it very easily. You can select any of these templates. For example, I choose this one. Here, they had mentioned about bleed, trim, and crease. You can change its length, width, and height from here. You can choose your measurements in inches or millimeters. You can completely visualize the box that will be formed from these measurements. Once you have done it, you can download this in 4 types of file type. Pretty awesome, right? Now, if you open this file in Illustrator, you can easily do designing according to it. Once you have done with the designing, you have to see how it practically looks on the product. For this, we will use Mockup Generator. There are thousands of templates you can choose. There are also categories-wise mockups. Let's say I choose this one. It took around 10 seconds to prepare the mockup. Here you have to upload your image. I have this one. Once you are satisfied, click Save. Now your mockup is ready. By clicking on Super Export, you can export it in PNG or JPEG format with highest quality. You can also download it in video format. This thing is very helpful when you are representing your mockup to a client. Now let's move on to the last part, which is 3D modeling of your object. Here you can view 3D of your object. Here you can choose any of these scenes. Let's say I choose this one. You can also add some shapes to your design. Background changing options are also available. You can also export this 3D modeling. So that's all for today's video. Do check Pacdora and let me know about your experience.